Hi guys, today we are cleaning up my vanity. I've been avoiding doing this for the past 2 weeks or so. I have 2 places where I store my makeup. So I store my everyday-ish makeup. Then I store the rest in this little train case. But I'm not gonna be going through my train case today, or I might, I don't know. I think I should. I also need to clean my makeup brushes. I don't want to, but I need to. Okay, I think that is every brush. Hopefully I'm not missing anything. I'm out of my Zote soap, so I'm gonna make a mixture with Dawn oil and water. We're done with the brushes. I kind of took forever, but we had to do it. So we're gonna move on to organizing the makeup. I'm gonna take like one of my big Target bins and kind of just put everything in there. Whatever doesn't fit, I'll just throw in my pink train case and call it a day. I really wanna go through the makeup train case first because I am a hoarder. You know, I'm saying this as if I'm totally gonna get rid of like all of my old makeup, but the reality is I'm not getting rid of everything, but I am getting rid of things that are obviously disgusting, like this. Like this is going. This old MAC mineralized skin finish cannot go because 13-year-old me would cry. We're keeping her. We're not gonna wear her, but we're gonna keep her. These are questionable, but they're not dusty, so I'll keep these. It has little holes in it. Don't know what that means, but I don't think that's normal, so I think I should toss this. I don't think this is gonna work anymore, but this was my absolute favorite primer. Oh God, okay, that's going. Just emptied out everything. I put it all in a basket. Now I'm just gonna clean this with some Lysol. how I'm going to fit all the stuff back in here neatly, but I'm going to try my best. I feel like I should move this into here, but I don't know. I am trying to figure out what I'm going to do with the rest of the space. So I was going to put my brushes here. So that kind of leaves this for liners and glosses. Unless I just kind of stick my liners like that, but that just seems so chaotic. I think I'm just going to put away all my powders first and then tackle the rest of the stuff. We are done. Finally. It only took like 5 hours. I'm just kidding, it didn't take 5 hours. But I'm happy. It's all done. And I hope this video motivated you to do the same. Clean your vanity, clean your house, clean that kitchen, clean whatever you need to clean. And I hope this video motivated you to do it. I don't even know what I'm saying. I hope I motivated you to do it. Do what? Clean. I hope I motivated you to clean. I'm going. I can't even talk.